from school XYZ, 30 students have registered their names for an inter-level competition to represent their school. Mr. A was given the task of dividing the students into groups from different categories of the competition. He was expected to divide 30 students into 6 identical groups of 5 students each. So you need 6 identical groups of 5 students each. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. These are the 6 groups. The groups are identical, which means there is no distinction between the groups, and 2 particular students are always together. So let us say the 2 students are there in any one of the group. It doesn't matter because all groups are the same. So if I take 2 students here, the remaining are 3 students here, and everywhere else there are 5 students. So this is what you're supposed to do. So let's say how many ways can you do that. So if 2 students are already there, I will select the remaining 3 students for this first group as 28C3, because out of 32 are already there, and the remaining are 25 now. So 25C5 into the remaining are 20C5 into 15C5 into 10C5 into 5C5. So these are your 6 groups. This is the way in which you are supposed to do things, right? Now what happens? We are looking at a mistake done by Mr. A, because of which he created 5 groups of 6 students each. So he created, what did he do? He created 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, only 5 groups. Again, these 2 people, so if I say 2 people are here, the remaining 4 are supposed to be here. So I will keep these 2 together. I will not select them because they are already a group. So the remaining 4 people can be chosen in 28C4 ways. Once this is done, the remaining will be 24C6 into 18C6, C6 into 12C6 into 6C6. They're asking us what is the difference between these two. So if you look at this, this is 28 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 factorial into 25 factorial by 20 factorial into 5 factorial into 20 factorial. So just continue writing this. 15 into 15 factorial into 5 factorial into 15 factorial by 10 factorial into 5 factorial into 10C5 is 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial, and 5C5 is 1 into 1. Similarly, so you can see what all gets cancelled. 10 factorial is cancelled, 15 is cancelled, 20 is cancelled, 25 I don't think this is 25, 28C3, this is 25, so 25 also gets cancelled. So now what are we left with? Numerator is only 28 factorial. Denominator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial is coming 5 times. So 5 factorial to the power of 5, and there is a 3 factorial. Then the other way, the mistaken part. So what is the answer here? So this will be 28C4, that is 28 factorial by 24 factorial into 4 factorial into 24C6, which is 24 factorial by 18 factorial into 6 factorial into 18 factorial by 12 factorial into 6 factorial into 12 factorial by 6 factorial into 6 factorial, and 6C6 is 1. Now once again 24 gets cancelled, 18 gets cancelled, 12 gets cancelled. So this will be giving you 28 factorial in the numerator by 1 4 factorial and 6 6 6 6. So 6 factorial coming to you 4 times to the power of 4. So 28 factorial. So basically what you have is 28 factorial by 5 factorial power 5. So if you can just write this down, this is the value will be 28 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 factorial. I think coming 6 times, I believe. Yeah, coming 5 times. This is coming 5 times. Minus 28 factorial by 4 factorial and 6 factorial coming in, I believe, how many times was that? 4 times. Coming in 4 times. So you can take 28 factorial common, and you can take out 5 factorial to the power of 4 and a 3 factorial also common. So what will you be left with? So 28 numerator is gone, 3 factorial is gone, 5 factorial, so 1 by 5 factorial minus 28 factorial is gone, 4 factorial from this 3 factorial is gone, so 1 by 4 will be left out, and in this 6 factorial we have taken out 5 factorial 4 times, or 4 of the 5 factorials we have taken out. So 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, this will be left out. So this basically is your answer. So let's see where it matches. You'll have to probably do a little bit of calculation. So 28 factorial by 5 factorial power 4 into 3 factorial into 1 by 5 factorial is 120 minus 1 by 36 into 36 into 4. So that would be a value of 36 and 4. If you probably might have to use the calculator for this, on-screen calculator. This is what you will get. So this will be 5184, and if you take the LCM, you don't have to take the LCM, just do the multiplication directly, minus 120. So this will be 5064 by 5184 into 120. So you can cancel out whatever gets cancelled. So I think 4 goes 30 times, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 26, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. I think 3 goes again 10, 3 goes 10 times, 3 4s are 12, 2 and 2. Then 2 goes 5 times, 2 goes 2, 1 1 times. So you have 2 1 1 divided by 5184 into 5. So 5 4s are 20, 2 5s are 40, 2 4 5 are 5, 9 5 5s are 25. So 25920. So this we got. So 211 by 25920 everywhere. Now outside we are looking at 5 factorial to the power of 4 and 3 factorial. That is, but this is 29. This will not work. This is the correct answer. Option C.